What's up guys, Kawika here with Ave Studio. Today in this video, we're gonna take a look at the Steadicam Air Monopod. Real quick, let's just clear the air a bit. No pun intended, but the Tiffen company did send me this monopod and they asked me to do a little video on how it works. So we're gonna do just that. So this is it. This is the Steadicam Air Monopod 15. This is for camera rigs up to 15 pounds. They also make a 25. That one is rated up for 25 pounds, but physically they're exactly the same. They're both made out of carbon fiber. They both have the same dimensions. It's just that the airlift in the 25 is rated for a higher pressure. So they make this in a 3-section monopod. The top section is your familiar twist lock. Nothing super special about that. Twist it, lock it. But down here is where all the fun happens. Lower section is a gas lift spring activated height adjustment. It sounds complicated, but really all you need to know is step on a thing and it goes up or down. So this is the thingy. Probably call it a pedal from here on out, but here it is in the vertical position. It's locked, which means it won't do anything, but all you gotta do is lift up and rotate it down, and now you can step on the pedal and it'll actually start to extend. Another nice little feature is that rather than rotating from the rubber foot joint, it actually rotates from the lower section. That way, wherever you leave the pedal, it'll stay there regardless of where you decide to pan. Speaking of the rubber foot, it is nice and big, but not ridiculously oversized. It is strong enough to hold up the monopod vertically just by itself, but I probably wouldn't recommend doing that with your camera rig on it. Price-wise, the Steadicam Air 15 weighs in around $299. Now, that does seem like a lot of money, and it is, but videographers and myself, we know that you can't buy the shot once you've missed it. And being able to telescope your rig up and down in a split second, that's gonna be a lot of times the difference between missing and actually getting the shot. So there you go, the Steadicam Air Monopod. If you guys are interested, I've put some links below in the description. If you guys wanna see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. We really appreciate that. As always, my name is Kawika with Ave Studio, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Shoots.